FragWatch here, woo! Oh, FragWatch here, woo! If FragWatch is here, then you are near hearing a mouse review, or in this case, an unboxing. FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the WLMouse Ying in two colorways. I believe I got the glow and the blue. Let's see. Let's hope I don't cut my Type 99 that I'm playing on today. Oh, I got some other stuff to unbox today too. How exciting is this for you? But in particular for me. Ooh, look at this. Okay, here's the box. Here's the box. This one's the blue. Oh, it's sliding out. Like a drawer. Or a whore. I don't know. Probably just a drawer. I don't know many whores that open up like that. Ooh, whoa, that's pretty. That's pretty. All right. Whoa, whoa. All right. It's grippy. It's like bizarrely grippy for the way it looks. It's kind of like a pulsar fucking crazy light coating. Just a little bit slicker. Yeah. Yeah, it's like the coating on the Terra too. Cool. It's carbon fiber though, so that's bizarre. I don't know how they got the coating to stick. That's cool. From an engineering point of view, that's really neat little touch. Is getting this kind of coating to stick to carbon fiber. Yeah, that's impressive. I love to pick the engineers' brains on how they they must have done a charged coating on it. That's the only way that would work. I'm getting these skates off here because I can immediately start testing this. I have so many reviews in the stack, by the way, that are just ready to review. I need to get through. Let's go back to unboxing this, though, yeah? Okay. Damn, that's nice. Okay. Over here. Dongle's... The fuck? Like a clip-on dongle? What? Like buttons on the side? Is that DPI? And this clips onto something? Okay. Little dongle, mini dongle. In our little booklet here, we have... It comes sealed. How about that? My OBS is lagging. I do apologize. This is what comes. There. Is there no sensor skate? Oh, are we loading sensor skates on here? Let's see. No sensor skate at all. It's a lot of faith in the structural rigidity. We'll test that. I'm going to put some fucking pressure on that, see if I can fuck the sensor up. Make the engineers regret that choice. A little bit stiffer. Cord here. Cool end though. Let me pull this out just so you can see it. Cool little design there. It's neat. Nice touch. Cord's a little stiff. Looked a little longer than most standard cords. So that would be nice. Alright. That's that. We'll have a little competition here. Which one I'm going to use. The blue. Get this shit back in here. Blue or the glow. The glow is supposed to glow in the dark. Oh, this is a drawer. Okay, so we're just going to drawer this for now. Put this on top. Go to the glow. All right. In daylight, this obviously looks cooler. Let me have a little peek here. Come on, motherfucker. Oh, it's been in the dark for so long. I'll have to do another review or another video on if this glows. So I'm going to leave this out regardless so it gets some light. Move it over here. Okay, that's we'll wrap this one up. That's the unboxing of the WLMouse Yings. I'm excited for this one. It's good. Okay, here you guys can watch me botch getting the knife in here. Did it pretty good. I still need to get a new fucking. Oh, I'll do another video on some tools I just got. We can unbox those together too. Okay, it's that. All right, thanks for watching. There's some more shit coming up for the live stream. Woo!